Hello everyone, Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am actually going to be sharing how I hem my own jeans. So I'm about 5'3", a little bit on the shorter end, and I feel like every time I buy a new pair of jeans, they're too long. Always too long. And I just didn't want to have to keep going to the tailor to get them hemmed. It takes a lot of time and it's expensive. So I just started hemming my own jeans. Keep in mind, this is kind of a raw hem. I'm cutting them and then giving it that raw edge, which I actually prefer, so win-win for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you today how I hem my own jeans. But before we get to that, you guys should already know the drill. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Also, be sure to check me out on Instagram at itsthejules. But let's go ahead and check out how I hem my own jeans. So first things first, obviously you need to get a pair of jeans that are too long on you, which is all of my jeans, and put them on and figure out exactly where you want them to hit. For me, I feel like an inch or two above my ankle is the perfect length on my body. Obviously that's gonna change between persons, so definitely put them on, get in the mirror, roll them up and see what length you like the best on yourself. And like I said, for me, I'm about 5'3", that's an inch or two above my ankle. So once you get that desired length, roll them out a tiny bit to make them a little bit longer. You need to keep in mind that when you obviously wash your jeans, they might shrink a little. So I like to just roll them down a tiny bit just to make it a little bit longer. Obviously you can cut more if you need to, but you can't add fabric after you've already cut them off. So keep that in mind. Once you've rolled them to the perfect length and added a little bit, go ahead and take the jeans off very carefully to make sure you don't unfold the fold. Once your jeans are off, go ahead and put them on a flat surface, and we're gonna line them up just to make sure both of the folds you created are even on both sides. So what I like to do is actually line it up with the crotch of the jeans. So fold it in half and line it up here, and then make sure, again, that the folds are even because you don't want two uneven legs. So once you have gotten two even folds, you're gonna go ahead and open them back up and press down really hard on the fold. You're gonna do this so you can create a crease so you know where to cut. Once you feel like you've pressed down hard enough and created that little crease, go ahead and unfold them. Then you're gonna go ahead and grab a flat surface. So like a book would be a great option, and you're gonna draw a line on that crease. So if you have black jeans like me, you might need to use a white pen, or even a pencil could work. If you have light colored jeans, then you can go ahead and use like a black or blue pen. All right, now you have your line drawn and you are ready to cut. Now, don't get nervous, you'll be fine. If you feel like, oh no, I don't know if it's too short, go ahead and cut a little bit below the line. Like I said before, you can always cut more, but you can't add fabric back on. And for me, I am using these fabric scissors. I actually just got these on Amazon. I'll put the link below. Fabric scissors are gonna be your best option, especially for denim, because this is gonna be a little bit harder to cut. So if you're just using normal scissors, not gonna really cut and it's gonna leave kind of a weird edge and it's not gonna have a straight line. So definitely recommend fabric scissors. So once you have your fabric scissors, go ahead and just cut on that line or a little bit below if you're nervous. And that's that. Once you've cut the first side, go ahead and repeat that process on the other side. And once you're done with that, that's it. You have perfect cut jeans for your height. You didn't have to go to the tailor. And it's really just that easy. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time.